Hi everybody, Steve Peterson coming at you from Phillips Chevrolet. Today we're going to drive a new 2014 Impala. It's actually going to be the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder model. We're going to go ahead and start it up here and go for a little ride, okay? A few nice convenience features in the Impala though would be the dual climate control. With the digital display, you're able to adjust temperatures either simultaneously or individually for a driver and passenger to a desired temperature. The vehicle is going to regulate that air flow based off of the temperature you select. Everything is pretty conveniently located and comfortable. We do have to adjust tilt and telescope out of the steering wheel. Once you get in the position that you're comfortable with, you can lock that back in place. Let's go ahead and take her out for a little drive, okay? While backing the vehicle up, there's actually quite a bit of rear vehicle. It's kind of got a long trunk and the longer back seat, but it is very easy to back out and see. All of the mirrors are well located and well sized to give you great views from all angles. The rear view mirror is a decent size as well. You really get the ability to see all blind spots out all sides of the car. And now again, this is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder version of the Chevy Impala. The new Impalas are available with a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder, giving you 305 horsepower there. The 2.5 liter is only 195 horsepower, but really not really lacking any power. It's still adequate amount of torque and pickup. Got a very smooth, responsive ride. Chevy achieved that by including triple door seals and laminated glass, as well as extra insulation in the carpet and the firewall, creating that extra quiet ride. The 2.5 liter engine is a double overhead cam direct injected motor. It's a new motor for Chevy. Fuel efficiency was something that was very important in the new Impalas. The 4-cylinder gives you 21 estimated city, 31 estimated highway miles per gallon. Fantastic fuel economy out of such a large sedan. Paired with this 4-cylinder motor is a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all of the new 2014 Impalas are all going to be front-wheel drive. I'm going to go ahead and get on it here for a second. You'll hear even when I get on the pedal a little bit, engine noise is still very muffled. Transmission's very responsive. Minimal body roll out of the vehicle. All of the 2014 Impalas are fitted with all-wheel disc brakes and Chevy's new Duralast brake rotor. All of your climate control functions and radio control functions, as well as cruise control. Everything that you're going to be using while you're driving is very conveniently located at the arm's reach. Before we wrap this up, I'm going to pull into a parking lot here. I just want to show off the new electronically assisted steering that Chevy is putting in the Impalas. It's something that you really don't realize until you start driving this vehicle, how smooth and convenient it really is. I want you to note that I can actually turn this vehicle with one finger on the steering wheel. The electronically assisted power steering is fantastic. Very easy to park, very smooth to handle. It almost feels like the car is driving itself. Stop time is fantastic. They really calibrated the brake system well to handle such a large bodied sedan. Alright folks, that was a great drive with us here at Phillips Chevrolet. We've got a great inventory of the new Chevy models coming in. Come and see me. My name again is Steve Peterson, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Thanks again everybody for watching.